Principal Chief Engineer of PWD J.S. Rego appeared before Anti-Corruption Bureau officials on Wednesday. ACB had summoned him in Subodh Kerkar's animal husbandry mural fraud case. There are accusations that Kerkar manipulated the tenders. Rego was interrogated for nearly 2 hours by ACB SP Bosco George. Sources confirm that ACB has not filed any FIR in this case.
The ACB had issued summons to Principal Chief Engineer of PWD J.S. Rego in Subodh Kerkar's alleged fraud in animal husbandry mural tender case. Rego was interrogated for nearly 2 hours.
No, I've been called regarding that artwork, mural work of Subodh Kerkar.
What has been like?
No, I gave my statement.
So what was it? What was it?
No, they asked some questions. I've answered all the questions.
Sources from the ACB informed that Rego was summoned by ACB for the preliminary information. FIR was not filed till late evening on Wednesday. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar during assembly session had assured that FIR would be filed against artist Subodh Kerkar on charges of manipulating PWD tenders. The Chief Minister was referring to a tender floated for installation of mural on the wall of the Animal Husbandry Department. Mural was tendered for Rs 9 lakhs, which was commissioned by the PWD. Earlier, artist Subodh Kerkar had challenged Chief Minister to file an FIR and had alleged that he was being targeted to silence the dissent and as he was the brother-in-law of Athoda MLA Vijay Sardesai. Kerkar has now written to J.S. Rego to return his mural, which has now been removed from the building of animal husbandry. Kerkar says he is ready to repay 9 lakh to the PWD. Reporter Mahesh Gadi with video journalist Dinesh Karpe from Panji.
Now news from sports. Salgaonkar Sports Club proved that 2020 cricket is all about performance on the day as they thrashed Colombo Warriors by 113 runs in Yes Bank GPL T20. Colombo had 5 international cricketers in their ranks, but defending champion Salgaonkar played fantastic cricket to book their place in the semi-finals. NRB GCA Stars defeated RN Sports from Mumbai by 6 wickets in the opening match at Porvorim on Wednesday. NRB GCA stay in the hunt in Group A, which is interestingly poised.
Colombo Warriors won the toss and elected to field first. Salgaonkar Sports Club made a formidable total of 194 runs, losing 6 wickets. Keenan Vaz played an outstanding innings of 76 runs and Ravikant Shukla contributed 41 runs with an addition of 32 runs from Ashish Yadav. While chasing the total of 194 runs, Colombo Warriors collapsed in 15.3 overs on 81 runs. Asanta Fernando scored highest 16 runs for Colombo Warriors. Ashish Yadav and Atit Nayak claimed 3 wickets each for Salgaonkar Sports Club. Harshad Gadekar took 2 wickets. Keenan Vaz was the man of the match.
Keenan, a tremendous effort, 76 runs of 50 balls with 6 boundaries and 3 sixers. Your footwork today was immaculate.
Yeah, I just thought keep my game simple and just play ball by ball. Like I know they had international players in their ranks, but it's ball versus bat. Like so, I just kept it simple, kept rotating the strike, and I targeted in the end.
Have you been working hard at your aggressive batting recently?
No, I don't bat aggressively. It's just like I spend time, so it becomes easy in the end.
Earlier in the day, NRB GSA Stars, who had lost the first match of the tournament, came into Wednesday's game with the task of achieving the much-needed victory to stay in the competition. NRB GSA won the toss and elected to field first. RN Sports were bowled out for 121 runs in 19.3 overs. Aman Lit was the chief wicket taker for NRB GSA with 4 wickets to his name. Gauresh Gaus and Syed Buddy picked up 2 wickets each. Chasing the target of 122 runs, NRB GSA got up to a good start with Maninder Bisla and Rohit Srivastav. But after they were dismissed, Sufyan Alam played a responsible inning, remaining not out on 45 runs. Along with Alam, Robin D'Souza was unbeaten on 26 runs as they guided GSA to 6-wicket victory in 17 overs. Sufyan Alam was named man of the match.
आपकी इनिंग बहुत ही क्रूशियल रही, आज जीतना ही था, तो कैसे आपने प्लान किया अपनी कॉशन और एग्रेशन?
मैंने जब मैच स्टार्ट हुआ था तो मैं कुछ भी नहीं सोचा था. मैं जैसा गेम होगा, जैसा सिचुएशन होगा, मुझे उसी हिसाब से खेलना है.
आपके बारे में बहुत सुना है आपके टीम के ओनर्स से कि आपकी बॉडी लैंग्वेज बहुत कॉन्फिडेंट है और वो आपसे बहुत कुछ एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं. तो आप अपनी क्रिकेट की शुरुआत कहाँ की और ये आपका फर्स्ट स्टिंट है जीएसए के साथ, सो आप अपने कौन से स्टेट से अपनी जूनियर क्रिकेट खेली है?
अभी भी मैं जूनियर हूँ और जूनियर क्रिकेट ही खेल रहा हूँ और मैंने अपनी क्रिकेट दिल्ली से स्टार्ट की थी और जब मैं यहाँ आया था तो मैं किसी टीम में भी नहीं था। तो रात को फिर जीएसए के जो मैनेजर वो आए थे मेरे पास, तो उन्होंने मुझे बोला कि आप हमारी टीम से खेल रहे हो। अगर उन्होंने नहीं लेते तो फिर मैं उसी रात को चला जाता यहाँ से।
Bureau Report, Prudent.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at PrudentGoa. Meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.